Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a bathing garden haul. I have not filmed, I feel like, in a while. It's only been probably like less than a week, but it feels like a long time for me because I usually try to upload something. Well, I was going every day for a while there, but yeah. If you guys could just say like a little prayer for me or something, good vibes, whatever, hallelujah, to whomever you, whatever deity or God you put your faith in, I would be so appreciative. I don't know what's going on. I went to the doctor. He gave me what I needed. I feel like I don't have a cold or anything still going on. I just feel like off balance, and I don't know if it's because of the eardrops or what's going on, but I just don't feel like, I still feel like something's off and it's like really affecting me. So I haven't turned on my warmers in like the last 3 weeks, so that blows. So I hope to turn them on today and get rolling again with the vendor of the week. I want to do consequently, is that the word I'm trying to think of? I want to do the bathing garden, take me to the sea. Or yeah, I want to do bathing garden as my vendor of the week, but my main focus will be on the take me to the sea. So that way you guys can see if you guys want to order some of the things from the take me to the sea collection, excuse me, or what. So let's just jump into this. So be on the lookout for that. I hope to start warming those this week. So let's hope for the best on that. So the first sample I got is Lavender Beach Martini. And this is French lavender with sea salt, lemon, pink grapefruit, and clary sage. This is a great, what was I going to say? This is a great twist on just like a lavender scent. It's really different than anything I've ever smelled before. You really get the sea notes. And also the lemon and the citrus part, the pink grapefruit. And the sage too. It's just a different take on lavender altogether. So that's really nice. If you like lavender scents, you'd probably like something like that because it's a little different than most lavenders. This, I don't know if it's, I thought it was dried blossoms, but it's spelled with an A. So I don't really know. Oh, look how weird. I don't know what that's supposed to be. That's interesting. I'm sure somebody will tell me. So that's what it looks like. This is mulberry and grape blend with sugary apple and strawberry jelly. So she's did these little scoops. I don't know how I feel about this one. I haven't had a lot of grape smell or grape blends. This is mulberry and grape. I haven't had very many mulberry either. That's mostly what it smells like. I don't smell apple, but I do smell strawberry jelly. Or at least I don't think I smell any apple. The strawberry jelly smells to me like what I would imagine Destination Wax's strawberry seeds to smell like. I've never smelled that one, but that's what I would imagine it smelling like, because it's not fresh picked strawberry, but it's close. So the first clam that I got here is a Cheshire Cat, and this is from the Alice in Wonderland collection, and this is lemon meringue topped with vanilla and raspberry icing. This was my attempt to try to find something close to Super Tarts Gryffindor. If you watch my warm review on Super Tarts, on actually Gryffindor, I did not like that one at all. To me, it was all wrong in like my eyes anyways. So that's super cute with the smile, the Cheshire Grin smile. That's adorable. This one is a lot better, I have to say. Gryffindor is like lemon cheesecake with raspberry glaze, and that's pretty much what this is. Anytime Shannon does anything with like raspberry icing, rose glaze, raspberry, anything like that, she does it really well. This one has a sweetness that I was looking for, and not that super astringent lemon scent. This is what I wish Gryffindor smelled like, more like, anyways. The next one is Keep Your Temper. This is fresh lemongrass, lemon curd topped with marshmallow. This looks like that. This one is really nice. This one is, to me, it smells a lot of like BCS Princess of Monaco. It's got that, I really like that marshmallow on top that she uses. It's a nice marshmallow. I feel okay talking about other vendors in my videos, even though I'm talking about the Bathing Garden. I'll talk about VCS, Super Tarts, whatever. Because to me, that's the way I equate scents, you know? Like when I think about a scent, I think, what have I smelled previously? And then I compare it to that, you know what I mean? So I feel okay mentioning other vendors. I mean, we're still supporting the vendor we're talking about, obviously. So this next one is lemon cheesecake, and this was again an attempt to see if I could, if this was close to Gryffindor or what, I don't know. Cheesecake swirled with tart lemon. And that's what it looks like. This one I have to say, I think I've had this one before. And I think I wasn't super impressed by it. It is a very tart lemon. It almost makes it not cleaner smelling, I wouldn't say. I wouldn't go that far. It's just not super creamy like I want a cheesecake to be, you know? So the next one I have, and I've had this one several years. Well, not this one in particular. I mean, I've warmed through this scent several years in a row. Strawberry Nonsense. This is creamy zucchini, strawberry jam, sun-ripened raspberry, bottom notes of cotton candy, and French vanilla. So this one to me, people either love this one or hate this one. This to me is not a creamy zucchini. This is a very spicy zucchini bread. It smells like a real zucchini bread. And then you get the sweetness of the strawberry. But I remember warming this one. A lot of people in my house don't like this one. I really like this one. I like the spicy zucchini bread sometimes. And then I have Sea of Tears. And this one is fresh air, sea salt, ocean mist, and aquatic floral. This one will probably be a good bathroom melt. I'll probably do that one in the bathroom. Love the prettiness of the flower on that. Yeah, this one's really pretty. It is, you do get like a hint of floral in there. It's reminding me of a scent from someone else. And I think I said this last year when I hauled this. And the one I have in my current collection. Yeah, okay, yeah, I do get the ocean notes. But it does have floral. I'll have to see how that guy warms up. Okay, and then I also grabbed a scrub. This is a coconut oil clowning around in the scent. Sorry, let me start over. This is a coconut oil based scrub in Clowning Around. Clowning Around I hauled my last go at Bathing Garden, and this is one of my favorite circus concession type scents. It's different than other circus concession type scents. I don't think it has funnel cake in it because I don't love funnel cake, but I really love Clowning Around. I'm not going to open this, but it's got the, before these little things were like moving around. Anyways, it's got those on top. This is kind of a weird scent to have in your shower because it's foodie, but I don't mind food scents for scrubs. And then the sample she sent was Nothing Whatever, which I think is like ivy something with mint. Yeah, I don't know. Something like that. I didn't love it in wax form, but I'll probably like it okay in the sugar scrub. And also she's super generous with, if you buy like a scrub, she'll give you a sample of a scrub. This is pretty big. So I really enjoy that. So that is my small Bathing Garden haul. Stay tuned because I'm going to do my vendor pick, which is going to be Bathing Garden. And so you'll see everything that I'm going to try to warm for the next week. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I have another haul coming up. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you for all the well wishes too on my other videos. You guys chimed in. And oh, also if, if you left a comment or if you've commented somewhere, like in one of the Facebook groups or something. Somebody tagged me somewhere the other day and I felt really bad because I was like, I should just go and see what that person said, but I didn't. So if you've tagged me somewhere, it's not on purpose. It's totally just because I'm just like trying to hold it together pretty much. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate that. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye guys.